So the first one is CTAs, or calls to action. Now what this is when you share something, piece of content, whether it be a homepage of your website such as this, or whether it be a blog post such as this one, or whether it be an email about like a follow-up series. So I'll show you that one as well. So here in my Aweber, I've got one that I did that was just an email, which was to do with a competition and people signing up. The challenge with calls to action is a lot of people don't do them. So they'll have a wonderful website page, but it's not clear what you want people to do. So on my website, for example, here, click to watch, it's in a bright orange, it's really clear. Click here, click to watch, do this, do that, take that step. And these are calls to action. They are a button to say, take that next step to your customer. So book a complimentary mindset review, or book a complimentary mindset review. They're really clear and they're really obvious all the way down the page, and they are calls to action. They are points that you want the customer to take. Okay, so don't forget about them. The other thing, like I say, on blog posts in particular, I see this, is you write a fantastic blog post with links to other things, and it's all great content, but then there's nothing at the bottom to ask them to take the next step. Now ultimately you are helping people, you are giving information to people and saying, here, this is the information, what do I do next? And from a customer point of view, it's so annoying when that isn't obvious, when it's not there to say, I want more of you, I want more help, but what do I do? So at the bottom of blogs I put, if you're struggling, click here, let's talk, I'll be happy to chat. So make these, A, put them there in the first place, but B, kind of make them obvious, make that step really simple for your client to take. The other one, this is Aweber, so this is my emails that are going out to my audience. This one was a competition that I did in 2017. So it's to say, thank you for entering the competition. They did what they needed to do, thank you for entering. But so many people would leave it as, thank you for entering the competition, that's it. Where you're missing that opportunity to say, click here to get more stuff, click here to sign up to something else, click here to have a chat with me, whatever it is. So they're calls to action, and there are some different ways that you can use them in order to make it really clear with your clients what the next step is. And it's not marketing and salesy, it's about serving your clients. It's about saying, you've done this, I want to help you more. How can I help you more? Here's a really obvious way I can help you. Click here to get whatever it is that you feel would be really helpful for them. So make sure that they're there and that they're included, and make sure that they're really clear as well. So use buttons, hyperlinks so that people can click on them. So hyperlinking you saw here, which is the text, and then if they click here, it would go to my Calendly account so that they can book in with me. So CTAs, calls to action, number one, have them there, and number two, make them obvious.